Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing materials because brewing without them stalls progress. Fill 3 glass bottles with water, craft a brewing stand, and convert a blaze rod into blaze powder for fuel. Once done, place the brewing stand, load blaze powder into the fuel slot, and add water bottles to the bottom slots. Add another wort as the first ingredient to make awkward potions. This step is essential because it creates the base that accepts the night vision reagent. Now you brew the actual night vision. Put a golden carrot into the brewing stand on top of the awkward potions. You will get night vision potions lasting 3 minutes. If you want longer coverage, add redstone dust to one of those potions to extend duration to 8 minutes. This trades a little immediacy for sustained use. Make splash or lingering versions by adding gunpowder then dragon's breath. This helps when you need to apply effects to multiple players or clear a dark area quickly. Finally, use the potion strategically. Drink it before entering caves, exploring deep builds, or filming nighttime footage so you keep full visibility without torches. For multiplayer, throw splash or lingering potions to cover groups, or use slash effect give for testing and map making. If the effect seems absent, make sure shaders or resource packs aren't overriding colors. Once done, use slash effect clear at S or relog to reset client-side visuals. This troubleshooting step fixes most apparent failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.